Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying credentials and choosing the authentication flow. That secures access and avoids 400 ones. Next, identify the base URL and the specific endpoint you need, because endpoints define the data shape. Once done, craft a minimal GET request with curl or postman including headers and a sample param to validate connectivity. You'll see a sample JSON response. Inspect keys and types to plan parsing. This initial test saves time and prevents chasing configuration errors later. You'll then handle the middle stage complexity: pagination, rate limits, and parsing. First, detect the pagination style, page/offset or cursor, and fetch iteratively with controlled page sizes so you don't overrun memory. Make sure to respect rate limits, implement exponential backoff, and capped retries to avoid bans. As responses arrive, parse JSON into strongly typed structures and validate required fields, because reliable parsing prevents downstream bugs. Finally, log unexpected shapes so you finish by persisting and securing data. Write parsed results to a database or cache with idempotent keys so retries don't duplicate. Make sure secrets live in env variables or a vault, and use least privileged tokens to limit risk. Once done, add monitoring and alerts on error rates to catch regressions early. If something goes wrong, inspect response headers and status codes, replay the exact request locally with same headers and body, and you'll often reveal auth, schema, or throttling issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.